Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to disable and turn off the apps that are automatically opening when you start your system. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to search and type for start. You will be getting this startup apps. Just click on open, and here we will be able to see all the applications that we have installed on our system. So if that particular app is enabled over here, that means that app has the permission to start whenever our system just logs on. So if you want to disable or turn it off, you can just disable this. That's it, and you'll be also getting the impact that particular app has if it runs in the background. So you can just enable it and disable it based upon your use case. So that's it guys, I hope you'd have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel, done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.